If you create any kind of content online, then I'm sure you already know how tedious creating content can truly be. Sure, when done right, content can be incredibly effective in building any type of business. But if you're like most people, you just want to create the content you need quickly and get on with your day. I used to feel the same way too, and so I set out to create a solution that would help me create content up to 20 times faster than others in half the time it would normally take. And I'd like to share that solution with you today. Hi, I'm Amy Harrop, and I'd like to introduce you to my brand new software titled QueContent Composer. QueContent Composer is great for helping you pull out all types of content quickly without the hassle. From videos to books, printables, journals, quizzes, lead magnets, and more, there's nothing that QueContent Composer can't help you create or greatly enhance the existing content you already have. You can even make PLR content more unique. You can see a full demo of QueContent Composer below on this page. But if you're ready to start working smarter and not harder when it comes to creating your content, then I'd highly recommend picking up your copy of QueContent Composer today. So go ahead and scroll down and view all the details on this page. And once you're done, make the smart decision to invest in QueContent Composer today. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. QueContent Composer is an easy-to-use software tool that allows you to quickly and easily generate question-based and prompt-based content for a wide variety of uses. It's loaded with over 1,000 questions and/or prompts, and you also have the ability to add your own categories, questions, and prompts. So simply choose a category, select your questions, select your options such as font size, font, how many questions per page, how many writing lines per question, and how many blank spaces per question. Then all you simply do is you click the button here to generate, and you can have it in PDF, Word document, or PowerPoint. And here's the Word, and here's the PowerPoint. In addition, QueContent Composer also allows you to add a title and an introduction. You can see it up here. In addition to being able to submit your own questions, whether single or in bulk, you can also duplicate these questions that are preloaded and easily modify them so you can make them unique. Not only can you use QueContent Composer to quickly create content for printables and low-content products such as journals, worksheets, planners, but it also has a wide variety of uses. You can use it for articles, blogs, books, quizzes, videos, and you're able to generate content quickly and easily. This is a versatile, easy-to-use, and powerful tool. Welcome to QueContent Composer. QueContent Composer is a very fast and easy way to quickly create and publish question and prompt-based content. It is very intuitive and easy to use, but in this short video, I will give you an overview and show you how everything works. When you log into the main page, you'll see here that there are a variety of categories, and many of these also have subcategories as well. So when you find the category or the subcategory you want to work with, you simply click on it, and you'll come to the main screen for those particular questions or prompts. Now, this particular subcategory is writing prompts, and you'll see here that there's a variety of writing prompts that you can work with. And you can use this type of content to quickly create things like worksheet pages, printables, journal pages, content for lead magnets, content for books, etc. Now, the way this works is you would simply select the questions or prompts that you want to use, and then you would come up here and you can add an introduction if you'd prefer. You can add a title and an introduction. You can choose your font family and your font size for those. And then for the main content, you can also choose your font family and your font size as well. You then have the ability to decide how many questions you want per page. So if you want only 2 questions per page, but you've chosen 3 or 4, then they will go on to the next page. You can also decide if you want to have writing lines, so people can have actual lines they can write on or not. And you can also decide how many blank spaces you want to have after each question and or the writing lines, so you can space them out. Now, you do have a lot more room to actually enhance and edit these with the output options. So you have three output options. You have the PDF option, the Word document option, and the PowerPoint option. So the Word document and the PowerPoint option are going to let you output these into those formats, and then you will have the ability to edit them. And what's great, of course, with the PowerPoint option is that there are many different types of journal and planner type templates that you can use in PowerPoint, so you could open those up and then add this particular content to those templates as well. Now for the PowerPoint option, you simply click on the View PDF, and what it does is it brings up a preview here in the window. So you can take a look at it, and then you would just simply right click and print or save as if you wanted to actually download this. Now for the Word and the PowerPoint, you simply click on this, and then it will download these for you in this particular format. Here is the Word format for these, for example. And of course, you'll have the ability to go through and do a lot more changing around and editing if you wish. And then here are the PowerPoint ones where we have them here. You can see, because I stipulated 2 questions and there's 3, that it does bring one over into the additional slide or the additional page. Now you also have the ability to add your own questions to each category. You can do them individually. You can also upload a CSV file. You also have the ability to take one of these questions and slightly edit it or change it. You do that by duplicating it, and then you'll have the ability to edit that duplicated question or prompt, so you can make these even more unique. In addition, you also have the ability to add your own categories or your own subcategories as well. So QueContent Composer is an easy, fast, flexible way to quickly create content for a wide variety of printables, worksheets, journals, reports, books, and more. It comes preloaded with over 1,000 questions and writing prompts in a variety of different categories. And you also have the ability to add your own categories, your own subcategories, and your own questions.